Today we're going to dive a little deeper into this 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. So stay tuned. So the 1970 Mustang shared the same body with the 1969. A little bit of a wider body, more of a muscle car look, in my opinion, compared to the prior years. What changed in 1970 was the grille and headlight area. Went from being 4 headlights to being 2 headlights with these little openings on the side of them. Kind of personal preference on which one you prefer. Also 1970, they eliminated the quarter panel scoops that were right here on a 1969. And then there were a few little trim things that were different. 70 Mach 1 having this rocker panel trim is different. The tail light setup is a little different on a 1970 versus a 1969. But overall, the body, shape of the body panel, stuff like that are pretty much the same, 69 to 70. So what you received with the Mach 1 package was the base engine of a 351. Couldn't get anything smaller than that in a Mach 1. You of course got the Mach 1 hood stripe, you got a hood scoop, you got that rocker trim we talked about before, the black trim above the tail lights that says Mach 1 with the emblem there. Most Mach 1s that you see are going to have front and rear spoilers. Rear spoiler like that. Front spoiler down there. And then on the interior, you got high back bucket seats. You got the wood on the doors and in the dash. Nice rich look with the wood trim there. Mach 1 emblem on the dash there by the clock. Same thing, wood on the center console. Mach 1s were typically a little higher option than some of the other Mustangs, so having the center console, the high back buckets, stuff like that. And the way to tell if you have a Mach 1 or not is on the sticker in the door. You can see the body code here. Body code will tell you whether it's a Mach 1, and then this sticker will obviously break down to tell you original color combination, what engine you had, what transmission, what rear end gear ratio, things like that. So very, very helpful piece of information. Another thing you want to look for when buying a rare Mustang, or if you own one and you just want to get a little more documentation, is you can get what they call the Marti Report. So the Marti Report, you pay Marti Auto Works, and they're going to break down your VIN and your door tag and tell you exactly what your vehicle was when it left the factory. So you can see it breaks down everything: body style, engine, what color it was, your rear end gear ratio, what transmission you had, where it went to after it was built, where it was built, dealership that it went to, Culver Motors in this case, the options that your vehicle had, and then it'll actually break down how rare your car is. So this copy's a little blurry here, but we do have another copy. Let's see, this is what they actually send you, comes in color like that. So 1694 with this paint code, 529 with these paint and trim, meaning interior and exterior color combination. It breaks it down like that. So very, very good piece of information to have if you have Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury that you want to know a little bit more about. Is it rare, and how rare is it? So we'll be doing these more detailed videos on some of the more rare and interesting vehicles that come through our showroom here. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button so you're the first one to see when we post these new videos. Thanks for watching, everybody.